today we tackle the brisket.
Alright, I'm finna get this fat for this month.
Little hack, right? Little hack. If you only get the flat, it's usually about $9 or $8 a pound. If you get the whole full pack, you can get it for as cheap as $4.68 a pound. Let's go. Now we got some trimming to do. We got a lot of extra fat in here. We need to get some of this fat out of here. Alright, we want to leave about a 1/4 inch. We got a big boy in here today. So let's start trimming this thing. Start trimming. So, after trimming, look at all of the fat we've taken off the brisket. Don't need that. Some of that stuff it doesn't render down. And makes the cooking time go by a lot.
You need a beat.
So we got our flat trimmed up nicely. We'll probably take a little bit more fat off of there. I am. It's a little tougher. It's a little tough down here, but yeah, I'm gonna get a little bit more of this fat off here real quick. Be right back. All trimmed up. Coming in with the Tony smoked sea salt. I know it don't say smoked, but trust me, it is. And then just black pepper, that's it.
MSG, one of my favorite things.
Flip. Looking pretty good on this side. I could probably trim up a little bit of this. Put this in your pan. It's time to get to the grill.
Screaming, but we gonna bring it down to 250, 225.
Thing is screaming. Then we're gonna put it fat side down. And listen to that thing right there. Beautiful. Next thing, we're gonna work on our jalapeno slaw. So I got some red cabbage and I got some green cabbage. Just gonna go ahead and slice very thinly for the red cabbage. Slice it very thinly. So the ingredients that you will need for the slaw: sauce, this is mayonnaise, salt, lemon juice, vinegar, black pepper, and I like to take mine up with some lime. Chop in some jalapenos, some fresh pineapple slices, and you got yourself my famous slaw. This is delicious. Let me show you what it looks like. This is what it ends up looking like right here. My famous jalapeno pineapple slaw, all from scratch. Oh man, this takes like 10 minutes to make, bro. Delicious. Delicious. You can throw some carrots in there if you want. Buy red cabbage or green cabbage. Man, listen. You'll be thanking me later. We come out here 3 hours later, and she's looking beautiful. Flat, looking great. See about another, hour and a half. Going slow. That's only because I got the top up. At 225, 250, so it's like. And then I'll cut off that point, slice that flat, and make burn ends over this thing right here. And this is what we got. 4 hours of 250. I'm about to wrap this thing up. I'm gonna put it back out there for a little bit. Okay, we got that point chopped up. All we need is some brown sugar and barbecue sauce and some butter. wrap this up, put this back on the grill. I got the flat separated from this. Hit that up with some beef broth. Wrap that up in foil. That is back on the grill. After taking that out, chopping that point up, and add butter, brown sugar, homemade barbecue sauce. Put it back out there, 275 for about another hour. You know, that's what it looks like, little bite-sized pieces. And we got the big bar that was taken off. And then we added the beef broth. We're gonna see what we're looking like in 2 seconds. Well, if you look at that, I don't know, I think we got a winner. Yes, sir. Let's wonder if you guys would like to take a slice. Let's see if we did it. Alright. Oh, no, man. If you ask me, it's pretty juicy. Pretty juicy, tender. Get some brisket down there. Look at that smoke ring. Think we did okay. This one came out alright. Look at that. Yeah, that's money right there. Then we got the Slaw. We got some burnt ends. It's about to go down. That's how you play looking at the end of the day. You're winning, boss. You're winning.
This about to be bussin'.
What's up, chat? What's up, Beef? Shout out, Beef. If you guys don't know Beef, you guys need to go follow Beef. King Beef's fucking kawaii as fuck. That's what Beef is. Beef is kawaii as fuck.
Lose my shit, and I'm about to get kicked out of my apartment because I scream like a girl because I'm scared.
Follow my friend, go sub to his channel. He is the shit.
I'm in a cave, and I've heard of King Beef.